Hey there, this is Mindy with This Fairy Tale Life, and today we're checking out the new Westin in Anaheim near the Disneyland Resort. This hotel opened in June 2021, and I'm staying here for the first time. This is a park view balcony, full balcony, king bedroom. So here we go. We just walked in the room. This is what you see when you first walk in. The restroom off to the side. Here is the door so you can see. They have these touchpad controls, which is a lot of fun. But anyway, we'll go straight into the restroom. As you can see, there's a very big mirror with a light around it, plenty of counter space. There's some fun amenities, lotion, cotton swabs if you need them. Plenty of towels and a stand-up shower with a waterfall shower head, and then the other amenities in there, and then a separate area for the water closet. Nice and bright and open, like the floor tile is so nice. Everything's so new. And then right here we have plenty of closet space. There's a robe for you to use during your stay and reusable slippers. There's some storage on this side, shelving, drawers, and a safe for your valuables. And then over here there is a coffee pot, Keurig, some coffee mugs, ice bucket, wine glasses. There's a cork screw in every room. That's kind of cool. Some glasses, and here is the little mini fridge. This looks like a drawer. Here's where your coffee is. Some little extra storage there too. And then on this side, there's a full-length mirror, which is always handy. And then going into the room, as you can see, it's very spacious. The king bed, there is a sofa, and then there's a table and 2 chairs, and then there's this entertainment console area. That is a huge TV and some shelving there, which is, again, always handy for stuff. And then I always have to check, are there electrical plugs, USB by the bed? The answer is yes. Plenty of places to plug in your stuff, along with some extra storage by the bed. And coming over here, you can see same setup on the other side of the bed. So that is great. Oh, this room is just so nice. But wait until you see outside. So this is, again, a full balcony room. They offer Juliet balconies and full balconies, and as you can see, this is a full balcony with a theme park view. So Disney California Adventure is right there. Very cool. So this is the front of the Westin, as you can probably see. So it overlooks Disneyland, California Adventure there. And then this balcony is huge. It has a really nice double sofa there, and then 2 tables and 2 chairs on this side, and lots of space. So amazing room, amazing view. Very excited to be staying here for the first time. Again, this is a park view, full balcony, king bedroom, and I'm just so excited to stay here. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Otherwise, this is Mindy signing off, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.